Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, The Life of Lizelle. We're so glad that finally we're back in Panama. And as you can see guys, ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog mga friends. So this is also for memories na rin, no? Before that, I would like to greet you guys a Happy New Year. I hope everyone will have a prosperous and beautiful year of 2025. Ayan, so in this video guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo dahil medyo sinipag ako mag-vlog. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-vlog. Since na bumalik kami dito sa Bukete, we're so busy guys. Ang daming happenings, ang daming gatherings. There's a lot of things that we have to fix first. Since Christmas, New Year, we're lucky that we have lots of friends that they came over to spend their time with us on the holidays. So we're hosting. I cook and I do the cleaning because isa rin pala di problema namin dito sa Panama. So during the holiday season, of course, all the workers, vacation sila, no? Holiday sila. So wala kang choice kundi ikaw ang gumawa ng mga bagay na ginagawa nila. So ayun, ang busy ko. Meron kaming Airbnb guest, fully booked yan as always, and then I have to clean it all by myself downstairs, and ako rin yung namamanage dito sa aming bahay. So I'm always so busy, but I'm so glad and thankful that I was able to do that everything. So in this video guys, hindi ko na patatagalin, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Magti-take down ako ng aking Christmas tree. And yun lang, para lang may i-vlog lang tayo, diba? As you can see guys, this Christmas tree, I have this since 2018 when we were in Abu Dhabi. Yan. Bigay lang to sa akin from my former boss din. Kasi nagpa-part-time job ako sa Abu Dhabi before. Sa same hotel lang din sa kami nakatira before. Ang taas nito, parang 8 feet yata to. Not sure. Pero mataas. As you can see guys, look, mataas siya. So, titik down lang natin to. So, hindi ako bumili ng maraming Christmas decoration here kasi I don't want to spend a lot of money for that. If I want to add some Christmas decoration, I have one go-to place. Yun ay ang To Do a Dollar, where you can buy just a very cheap price. Like $1, $2, and that's it. Hanggang ganun lang ako. Nagtitipid tayo guys. So, ayun. Wala akong masyadong decoration. But, thankfully, ganda naman ang kinalabasan. So, ayun lang. Ipakita natin first, guys, ito. Niligpit ko na ang aking mga tablecloth. And, ayan, yung ating centerpiece. Ang aking mga bululoy dito for Christmas tree, Christmas lights. And, yung aking mga decoration also for my main door entrance. And then, ito. Yan, simple lang yan. From Christmas, yan lang aking decoration. And then, ang aking New Year's decoration. Ayan, ililigpit natin. New Year's balloons. Ililigpit natin yan. So, ang pinaka-big job dito, guys, siyempre, ang Christmas tree, diba? Kasi ang dami nating Christmas balls. Yan. Tsaka ito yung Christmas light din. So, let's start! First, dito ko i-take down ang ating mga Christmas balls. Or this one, center, tadan. This one, it's been 4 years now na ginagamit ko to every Christmas. And I put it back sa kanyang lagayan para goods pa rin siya. Hindi pa rin siya masira. Use it forever, maybe. Ayan. So I also have this one. I used to put this in my main door, but right now I just put it here. Nagbago lang ako ng aking design. Our Christmas pillows here. And then sa sofa din. Marami akong nilagay sa sofa. And ayan. Yung mga pillows na yan guys, pillows cover. Nabili ko pa yan sa Canada, Amazon. So, ano lang, sobrang mura niya. I think ang bili ko is only $14. Ano na siya? 8 pieces? 4 pieces na. Ang layo ba? Iba, ang ganda. And next naman guys, no? Natanggal ko na ang Christmas lights. And mayroon ako ditong ganito. Ano siya? Umiilaw to siya. And may snowflakes ako dito. Artificial snowflakes. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. My mother-in-law gave this to me from Canada. Lalagay ko na siya dito sa kanyang special pouch. And we have here, on the other side. Here we go! We're done! Ayan, ito na siya. And ilalagay na natin sa ating box. Oops! Ating Santa Claus. Ating di pa lang centerpiece decoration. Dining table decoration, the centerpiece. Saan ko ba ito lalagay? Ayan, tatanggalin ko lang yung mga candles. And meron din akong inilagay dito na it's like a light, Christmas light too. Battery lang siya. Yan, sa Amazon ko dito nabili guys. Bibili nyo ito sa Amazon. It's pretty. Yan, ganito siya guys. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa flower vase o kung saan nyo man gusto. Umilaw to. Look, right? Diba? Ang ganda niya. Yan. Yeah, yun lang. I-off muna natin for next year. Okay pa rin yung battery. Ang aking huge box for this Christmas tree. And now, start na natin siyang tanggalin. It's very easy, guys. Ganun lang. Pull out lang. Of course, you know naman paano, diba? Dahil lahat naman tayo mayroong Christmas tree. Artificial, yeah. Para sa ating mga malayo. Watch this. The second part. This one. It's big. And this one. And our fake gift box. I mean, empty yan. So, kapag wala kaming pinamigay ni Books. For decoration lang to. Uy, ginawa ko pa ito sa Abu Dhabi. 4 years, I think like 5 years ago. Buhay pa rin to. Here we go guys, tapos na tayong mag-pack ng ating Christmas tree. And iwan ko lang to siya dito. So by today, Saturday, day off ng aming mga workers. So this will be going to the garage by Monday. So magpapatulong ako nung kasi medyo mabigat. And that's it for today's video. Thank you sa pagsama sa Life of Lizelle channel here in Panama. And I hope you guys have a wonderful year. Bye everyone. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.